Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best DDPI dash camera in this video? I will show you the top 5 best DDPI dash camera to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is DDPI dash Cam N5. Specifications: brand name, pay. Aperture, f1.8. Warranty, 1 year. Touchscreen, no. View angle, 105 degrees to 140 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 512 gigabytes. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, GC4653. Pixels 500 mega. Chipset manufacturer RK. Frames per second 30. Number 4 is DDPI-Cam Z50. Specifications: brand name, pay. Aperture, f1.75. Warranty, 1 year. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 512 gigabytes. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX415. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 3 inch. Chipset manufacturer, RK. Frames per second, 30. As the item number 3, we've selected DDPI-Cam N1. Specifications: brand name, pay. Aperture, f1.8. Warranty, 1 year. View angle, 105 degrees to 140 degrees. Camera resolution, 2340 by 1296. Max external memory, 256 gigabytes. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, GC4653. Pixels 500 mega. Chipset manufacturer RK. Frames per second 25. Weight 0.6 kilograms. Number 2 is DDPI Z50 Pro Cam. Specifications: brand name, pay. Aperture, f1.8. Warranty, 1 year. Built-in screen, yes. Touchscreen, no. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 512 gigabytes. Number of lenses, 2. Chipset manufacturer, RK. Frames per second, 25. On the top of our list at number 1 we have DDPI Mola N3 Pro. Specifications: brand name, pay. Warranty, 1 year. View angle, 105 degrees to 140 degrees. Camera resolution, 2560 by 1600. Max external memory, 512 gigabytes. Number of lenses, 2. Pixels, 1600 megapixels. Chipset manufacturer, SigmaStar. Frames per second, 25.